Hi guys, welcome back to Food Travel Company. So as most of us know, IKEA is open in Bangalore in Nagasandra. So it's just the first week it's been open and I'm here to do some shopping. Actually, I'm very excited. So illenandre there are a lot of shopping options, home related agirbodu, setting up agirbodu and all that. And also I've heard there's a Swedish kitchen here. I mean the restaurant is based on Swedish food. So adunu toristini, and also I'll show you what all is available here, what you can shop, how you can plan and everything. Come, let's go and explore IKEA now. We went to IKEA by our car, and once we entered, we were well guided to the parking lot. Like most of their stores, this too has parking space for over 1500 cars, but large format store is also connected to the Nagasandra metro station. So instead of driving down here, you can just take Nama metro. It's a very long queue to get in now. So guys, here at IKEA, they have planned the shopping really well. There are two levels basically, as you can see here. In level 1, this is full serve. They have living room setups, dining setups, kitchen, workspace, bedroom, wardrobes and storage. All the setups are available. So basically there you will have to place the order and they will deliver it to you. The second level is the marketplace, where you can pick up the things yourself. It's readily available. And the last part here is self-service furniture area, where the furnitures are packed in flat boxes. You will have to go home and install it yourself. And then the last will be billing, and then the food market is also here. This is the full serve area, where they have set up various home decor ideas and furnitures on display, which gives a lot of out of the box ideas for building the island of your dreams. IKEA is a dream one-shop stop for everyone who takes much interest in adoring their homes with unique furnishings. The massive store features over 7,000 affordable and well-designed home furnishing products. As they have displayed all the products in the store, it is very good to have the look and feel of the products before buying them. So guys, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐಕ್ಯಾಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಲೇಬಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಸೆಟಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ರೆಡ್ ಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟು ಈ ಫ್ಲೋರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಈ ಥರ ರೆಡ್ ಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್. ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಹುಡುಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಥರ ಲೇಬಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೇ ಫ್ಲೋರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್. They also have a separate children area, where they have displayed various bunk beds and beds, and also a lot of accessories for children room. So you can actually build a dream room for them. So now we are entering the market hall, where you have a lot of products which you can pick directly. There are a lot of sections specially for kitchen, bathroom and garden. They have a wide options in this section for home decor, storage and organizing stuff at your home. So guys, as you can see, the store is really massive. So ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ನು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ I would really suggest you go here in the morning ಮತ್ತು ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ವರೆಗೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And the store is also open from 10 AM in the morning to 10 PM in the night. So guys, this is the Småland, the children play area. They basically keep your child entertained through activities and games. We can register them. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು. So 45 minutes ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದ್ರ ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್ನು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ they notify that the 45 minutes is over. So it is very helpful so that we can also enjoy shopping, and when we are shopping they also enjoy. This is the self-serve area where you can pick up the furnitures and home decor items and install it yourself. IKEA Bengaluru has a 1,000-seater restaurant serving a mix of Swedish and Indian delicacies with vegetarian and vegan food options to choose from.
I'm hungry.
Yeah.
So guys, food ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ the options are very limited, but it is very nice, especially the salad I really love. Very nice option. ಮತ್ತು ಚೀಸ್ ಕೇಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತು ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ರ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು. So it was very nice. Overall the experience was very good. So guys, finally we entered the billing section. They had two options here: self-scan billing if you have less number of items, or you can get into the queue and get it billed from the staff. So overall the experience was really great, and I really had fun shopping here. I hope you guys will also have a lot of fun coming here. Please do visit this place.